Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one. So today we're back here. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the process on how to access Netflix hidden secret codes, and I'll go ahead and show you how to find content that you may have never found unless you use these hidden codes. So let's go and jump into it. So let's open up Netflix, and right away you're familiar with the browsing on Netflix. You scroll down here and you get a list of certain types of content. So you got thrillers, you got children and family, action and adventure, TV shows. So if you didn't want to hit the down button and scroll for that, you can actually go over to the left and click on the search button. If we were just to type in a code, so let's say we're looking for anime just to start off, 7424. So if we type in 7424, you're immediately going to get anime items, and you didn't have to scroll through 1,000 items just to see all of your anime content. So let's type in another code. Say we're looking for classic movies. We're going to type in 31574. So these are going to bring all of our classic movies. We scroll down here, you'll see a good amount of items that are old mixed with new items that you can definitely check out. And then also, so not only can you search items through the regular genre that you're familiar with, so say if we're looking for comedies, you can actually drill down in that. So let's say we're looking for dark comedies, or we're looking for late night comedies. So if we type in a code, this will give us late night comedy movies. We're going to type in 1402. So I put in 1402. This gives us all of our late night comedies. Definitely check this out and get a good laugh in. These codes all come from netflix-codes.com. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Definitely check it out. It makes life a lot easier when it comes to picking certain types of content. Also, this is on the Amazon Fire Stick, so I'm entering the codes in manually. But if I'm on a mobile phone or a computer, all I would have to do is simply go to the website and click on the link. So let me go and show you that really quick. But before I do, let me show you two more codes. So let's say if we were looking for documentaries, we're going to put in 6839. So let's put in 6839. 6839 is going to give us all the documentaries that we can handle about any given topic. Also, if you're looking for foreign movies, we're going to go ahead and put in 78367. If you like to watch foreign movies, definitely check out the foreign section as well. Alright, so here we are on netflix-codes.com. This is how simple it is. So if you're using a mobile phone or a computer, all you got to do is go to this website, scroll down. So if we were looking for action and adventure, we would type in 1365 or click on the link for 1365. It loads right up and we get a wide variety of items to choose from just based on action adventure. And also, once again, don't forget you can drill down with these codes. So action adventure is 1365, but if you're looking for action comedies, action fantasy, action thrillers, adventures, you can drill down by picking certain codes. So let's say we want action comedies, click on 43040. The page automatically loads and delivers that type of content for us to choose from. Also, as we scroll through this list here, we got anime, children and family, any category that you can think of that you would want, they have it in here. But I did want to bring this video and let you know that these codes are out here and make streaming content very easy to stream on Netflix. You have to find it before you can watch it. So definitely check this out. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.